You are more than your mistakes.
For those areas in you that have been unresolved, those places where you still have questions, can God really love me? Can God love even the things that I've done? Maybe he doesn't love the things that you and I have done, but he loves the person we are, because we are not the things we've done. We are not the things we have done. I'm gonna say it again. You are not your worst decision. You are not your worst moment. You are not your addiction. You are not your bad habit. You are not that mistake. You are not that divorce. You are not that place of indiscretion. You are more than that. That is why the blood of Jesus was sent. You are loved by God. It's a father's love, a pursuing love. How fast can you run? You can't run from God. Anybody in here ever ran from God? Let me see. Let me give you a trick. You can't run from God. You can only run into God. Because God is everywhere. Wherever you run, and he already knew it, so he's there waiting on you. And he's not waiting on you with his arms folded. He's waiting on you with his arms wide open, saying, I've been waiting on you the whole time.